I'd been thinking about having implants for quite a while because I suffered with my gums. I'd tried to get treatment before with an NHS dentist, but there was nothing at the time, and he had told me even if you pay extra money you'll lose your teeth. So my daughter started to come to Synergy. After a long while, my daughter said, go for it, go see what you can get done. So I came along to Synergy and spoke to the dentist, explained the situation, and he was really understanding. He went through all the options that there were, types of implants that there are available and the cost of it, did some x-rays and came back with a plan, and it went from there. The worst part of the procedure for me was injections, but I didn't feel anything this time. I was dreading the injections, but they were fine. Besides the implants, I had to have some bone implant because the gum had deteriorated so much that there had been some bone loss. I had it on both upper and lower jaws, and that was fine. I mean, it was a long procedure. I was in all morning virtually, but it was no problem. I didn't feel anything really, nothing at all. They kept asking me, do you want to stop? If you want to stop, just stop us, but I was fine. Just after the surgery, I had to come back more frequently because they had to check the stitches and what have you, and check how the healing was going, how the bone integration was going, and then obviously for the measurements for the dentures that I was going to have. So that took maybe about 6 months to get everything sort of in place. The upper jaw was better than the lower jaw, but Dr. Bagasi was very patient with me. I kept saying, it's wrong, it's not right, but he went until I felt comfortable with it. You know, we kept going back to the denture maker and until we got it right. So it was a team effort, but we got it right in the end, yeah. It's just like having your own teeth. It really is. It's a life changer. From having a partial denture before on both upper and lower jaws, it's totally different because you can eat, you feel more confident speaking, going out with people, you know, going to work, everything. It just feels like you've got your own teeth. Obviously they aren't, but they're as near as you can get to it. Yeah, from the treatment that both I and my daughter have had here at Synergy, I would recommend them to anyone. You know, if you're thinking of this treatment or any treatments really, keep them in mind.